In the event that you arrive at a store and find that the lock is non-functional due to missing or damaged pins inside the barrel, here are the step-by-step instructions for lock replacement. Step 1, pull open the unit. Step 2, loosen the screw a quarter turn at the back of the lock. Now remove the brass retaining ring. The final step is to remove the brass ring by sliding it over the cam. Remove the lock housing from the unit. Insert the new lock into the hole in the unit, ensuring that the brass pins are on the right-hand side. On the new lock, loosen it again a quarter turn and slide the brass ring over the top of the cam onto the lock and tighten it fully. Now tighten the screw at the back of the lock. You will now find that the lock is once again fully functional. If you encounter any issues not covered in these videos, please contact Marketing Impact Limited at the telephone number or email address below.